Hello guys, so in this today's video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called PropelHost, which is the world class and one of its kind blazing fast turbo SSD web hosting solution that allows your customers to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra reliable and super fast loading servers at an unbeatable low price. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 4 free bonuses worth rupees $599 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.